Hi kindergarten, today we are going to be introduced to our new sight words for the week. We are going to follow the read, spell, write routine. So if you want to get out a piece of paper and a pencil to write, this would be a good time to do so, or you can just write the word with your finger in the air. Okay, so now let's look at our first sight word for the week. The word is has. Your turn, say the word has. The word has is spelled H-A-S. Your turn, spell the word has. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word has. While you're doing that, I'm going to use the word has in a sentence. He has a dog. Our second new word for the week is the word play. The word is play. Your turn, say the word play. The word play is spelled P-L-A-Y. Your turn, spell the word play. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word play. While you're writing, I'm going to use the word play in a sentence. I like to play outside. Before we go, let's look at some sentences. Try to read these sentences and point to the words has and play. Pause the video if you need time for reading.